Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a very simple and quick to make carrot lemon rice. It's a South Indian rice recipe. This has got a lot of flavor in it, and for the sides, minced meat with potato and mocha beans. And I hope you'll find this recipe useful. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make carrot lemon rice. To a pan, add oil. This recipe needs extra oil, so I'm adding 4 tablespoons. Once the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Wait for it to splatter. This is 3 tablespoons of raw peanuts. Just fry it for a minute on a medium heat. To this add 1 tablespoon of wheat, split chickpea and black gram. Keep frying for 30 more seconds. I'm adding 3 green chilies and 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Saute it for a while. I'm adding half onion thinly sliced and half bell pepper sliced. Keep the flame on medium throughout the cooking process because the ingredients might tend to get burnt. The vegetables we are adding should not cook fully, just saute it for 30 to 40 seconds. Add 4 tablespoons of grated carrot, again saute it for 15 to 20 seconds. This recipe will be very handy because we can turn ordinary rice into lemon rice and serve it with some potato fries or papad. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and some salt to taste. Just give all this a nice mix. Now I'm going to turn off the flame and I'm going to add lemon juice. This is 1 big lemon juice. If you have small ones, just add 2 to 3. Carrot lemon mixture is done. Give it a nice mix. Now I'm adding 2 cups of boiled rice. At this point, check for some salt and combine everything really well. We are always looking to make very simple and delicious variety rices using the different vegetables. This is quick, healthy and delicious carrot lemon rice. It makes a great lunchbox recipe. Do try this recipe. You can make this in under 10 minutes. Ingredients we require to make: minced beef with potato and mocha beans. To make this recipe, heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the whole spices, 1 onion finely chopped and a few curry leaves. Fry the onion till it turns pink. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry this for a while. 1 small tomato, cook it for a minute. Tomato is half done. Now I'm adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, add spice according to your taste, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Let the spices cook for a minute or until the raw flavor goes off. This is 1 big potato cut into small cubes and half a cup of fresh mocha beans. Now give all these ingredients a nice mix. Add half cup of water and cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Potato and beans are 90% done. Now in this stage, let's add the ground beef. Combine everything well and cook for 10 minutes. Ground beef will not take much time to cook, so we'll wait for 10 minutes. Now the meat, potato and beans are perfectly done. I'm adding half cup of fresh fenugreek leaves. It's a great combination. You must definitely try it. This has to cook. Give it a quick toss and leave it for a minute. At this point, check for some seasoning. Add if needed. This is done. Turn off the flame. Let's pack our lunch box. This is one of the most popular and often made dishes in South India, and it's a great travel food and it's a healthy lunchbox recipe as well. And I hope you find this video useful. If so, give it a thumbs up and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.